Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to master infrastructure as code, you are in the right place. Well, I am a DevOps engineer with over 8 years of experience in IT, and I will be teaching you Terraform from beginner to advanced level. Terraform is an open source tool created by HashiCorp that allows you to define, provision, and manage your infrastructure using code. It works with all major platforms, for example, AWS, GCP, or Azure, and even on premises solutions, making it incredibly versatile. In simple, human readable code. With Terraform, your infrastructure becomes predictable, consistent, and version controlled. So, Terraform workflow is straightforward. You define your infrastructure in the form of code. Terraform helps you to plan the changes, and you apply those changes through Terraform. And after that, you can manage and update your infrastructure as needed. So, what makes Terraform even more powerful is its provider ecosystem. So, let's say here Terraform is your central hub, and then it connects with all major platforms like GCP, Azure, or AWS. So, in this course, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with Terraform, from the basics of writing configurations to managing complex multi cloud deployments. Whether you are a developer or a DevOps engineer or just curious about automation, Terraform has something to offer. And by the end of this journey, you will have the skills to automate your infrastructure confidently.